Alright, what's going on, y'all? I wanted to do like a little market analysis of the last 2 days, so Monday and Tuesday. So what I recognize is that what I really need to work on is looking at order flow, um, and the narrative and mixing that in with my trades because the past 2 days I've had buys totally wrong when it's like clear in my face that right here we're in a sell model and these are our obvious like draws on liquidity, and then today this morning we're in a buy model and we wanted to come see this new week opening gap. So I'll go over yesterday's price action and why I took a long that lost. I only took it half the price, so I was only down 50 bucks, which is not a big deal. So let's see, going into the day, let's see, we had a sell-off and we swept this hourly liquidity, and after that we kind of accumulated for like a good 20 minutes. I saw this as manipulation and our push up and our IVG here, so I took a long about right here, just targeting like morning highs. Obviously got stopped out right away. I took it out of this candle right here. I think this trade was following my rules, but I just had buys totally wrong. And let's see if we got an SMT somewhere. I know we had an hourly SMT. We swept this and or we swept something else on NQ and not ES. Let's see this on 5 minute. So I took it on ES, but we did have a change in the state on NQ, which is why I took it, because this isn't a change in the state. But and then we also had this SMT right here. This swept these lows, while on NQ we didn't sweep those lows. So that's why I took the trade. It followed my rules, so I'm not mad. Yeah, in the future we just need to look at what kind of model we're in, because we are obviously in a sell model, but I was too in my head about what I wanted to see price do versus what it was actually doing. Because in the morning this would have been a good entry right here. Right, filled in this 15-minute and manipulate. I'm pretty sure we put in an SMT also. But yeah, we swept this high and instantly shit. Had to change the state here. I think there's a 2-minute IFVG somewhere around here. I'm sure I would have been able to find an entry and then targeting these lows, but for some reason I wanted to be long because let's see why I want to be long. I'm not sure why I wanted to be long, to be honest. Something I need to work on is just narrative and having a feel of what the market wants to do and seeing what it's respecting and disrespecting, because I don't know what the fuck I was doing yesterday or today, to be honest. Yeah, so lost on that trade. That's the only trade I took, so I didn't tilt. I did pretty good with my psychology day yesterday, and today I took no trades. I wanted to be bearish for some reason, which doesn't really make sense. So I mean, look at this buy model that we're in, right? We came down, swept all this liquidity down here, and you know, we had a change in the state, and you know, I should have recognized that we just wanted to go up. You know, I saw this hourly fair value gap, and I thought we were going to respect it and come down and sweep some more lows, but you know, we already swept this low, so I don't know why we come down and sweep another low. I think it's because I woke up like 5 minutes before market open, so I didn't really get to analyze the market structure that well, so that's something I need to do better on. So this morning, I mean, this would have been the trade, right? 15-minute fair value gap right here. We open and instantly respect it and put in an SMT. SMT with a change in the state. I didn't really think that the candles were printing super clear this morning, so I wasn't really sure what I wanted to see. I knew we were going to come up and take London highs. What I didn't know is that we wanted to come all the way into the new week opening gap. But yeah, we instantly ripped. Let's see. I was keeping an eye on this right here. I wanted to short after we took London highs. So, you know, my trade would have looked something like this. Down to like London lows or whatever. But I followed my rules. We didn't get a change in the state. You know, we swept IFEG, no change in the state. So I didn't enter this trade. Kind of just let price print, and it looked really sloppy around here. So after that, I just turned off the charts and did some other work. And then we just absolutely launched up. But so yeah, I think the biggest takeaways is to look at the 15-minute and the 1 hour and actually see what price is doing. So I looked at this and I was like, oh, we're probably just gonna retrace and then like shit even more, which is not true. I mean, we were respecting bullish PD arrays and disrespecting bearish PD arrays, so why would we go and shit? I don't know. So yeah, that was my analysis of the market the previous 2 days. I think we'll have a better rest of the week. Now that I know to look at the narrative and not just, you know, trade my strategy with no narrative, but it's not gonna work. So yeah, I'll probably do some more back testing later today and really dial in. And yeah, hopefully I get some winning trades this week.